gosh, last night was so fun, but I'm a tiny bit of a wreck today. It looks like I drank Kool-Aid or something. This is what actually happened. Hi, welcome back to Vlogmas. This is getting crazier by the day. See, this is why I don't vlog every day, because it just gets crazy, okay? First of all, it's actually a beautiful, calm day. It's actually nice to wake up in my own house. I did wake up and wish I was at the Golden Door. I was like, if I was at the Golden Door, my biggest job today would be to get a massage and maybe go do yoga and wander around and go in the hot tub. I actually am sore from the workouts there. From my hike yesterday and my yoga yesterday and like just some of the exercise classes. Like I'm kind of sore actually. So I wish that I could have gotten in the hot tub. Anyway, today's a bit crazy. I have so many deadlines. So it's like 11:30 a.m. I didn't film my good morning because I didn't have any time. I've had such a busy morning. So I had 3 campaigns and a takeover that I shot before 10:30. Then from 10:30 to 11, I had a bra fitting with the bra brand that I'm gonna be working with in the new year. Really excited because I was able to ask her a ton of questions. My goal is to build this like arsenal of bras and undergarments for everyone. So I'm like happen to be partnering with this brand that they make one of my favorite strapless bras ever, the one that I recommend to everyone. So I was just talking to them to see if they had any other like new technology or things we needed to know about, because I'm trying to put together like a very comprehensive like evergreen undergarment guide, but it's a lot more work than I thought. So that's why in videos now I'm trying to just include like, oh, this is a good one for this, or this is a good one for this, because it's actually a lot of work to like find them all. I've been wearing some of them for so many years that they've been discontinued. So anyway, comment below if you've got like undergarments, whether it's underwear or bras or like hacks that you love. Let's share them all together, and then I'll make sure to make a video of everything. Anyway, see these tangents I get off on? Woof. Back to our regularly scheduled programming. That was weird. Look at all the boxes that came in the 2 days that I was at Golden Door. It is to be expected. It is, oh, what's that? See, listen to me, good Lord. I'm like, have the attention span of a squirrel. Anyway, or a dog. Is it the dog that says squirrel? I don't even have enough of an attention span to tell you that, because I'm just so crazed with leaving. But I still feel calm. I feel like the last few days have been really grounding. So even though there's a lot going on in my mind, I was sure to do my breath work and meditate this morning before I did anything else, even though I did jump into things a little more quickly than I would have liked to. But it's all progress. We can't beat ourselves up for not being perfect. But mainly today I need to get through all these packages, and I have to shoot at least one more campaign. I need to double check. I think I have to shoot 2 more things. And then I also had some stuff I wanted to get done for you all. So I really wanted to, I got a few more things from Abercrombie just to be warmer. Like I got a coat and some more sweaters because I'm gonna go to the East Coast with Sparky. So I just don't have as much of that stuff. So I got a few more things from Abercrombie, a few kind of cozy holiday essentials from Amazon. And I really wanted to find the time to share those with you in case you wanted them before the holidays. So we're doing that. I got invited to go to the Boy Smells store in Culver City. I am such a huge fan. It's been a big part of Sparky and I's journey, the Casey Musgraves slow burn candle. So we got the Magnum. I'm sure you've seen in previous vlogs if you've been watching, but I am obsessed with their Les smell. Is it Les? I don't know. But I haven't gotten to like experience too many of their fragrances, because unless you just arbitrarily buy online and you're like, well, I hope I like this, you know, you don't really get the chance. So they have a holiday pop-up. It's in Los Angeles through January 7th. And I'm gonna get to go to check that out today because I wanted to pick up a couple gifts to bring my sister and just like a few more things. And I wanted to leave one for my good friends, Callie and Dan, who are gonna be visiting when I'm gone. So I also have to get the house ready for them. I have to put a new toilet seat in because some of my toilet seat cracked off. I really wanna hang like the garland here and the mistletoe for them to enjoy while they're here, even though Sparky and I had to hold it by hand because I never got it up. So we'll see if that happens. The guest room is clean. So I want to like just zhuzh it and make sure that it feels welcoming. So I guess I kind of just need to like, you know, clean up the house. It's actually not in a bad state at all. I'm quite happy about that. Even my closet is manageable right now. But the guest room is really simple. I usually have pampas grass in there, but I took it out and put it in the Christmas tree. So I want to like set up a little nightstand area for them and just make this a little more welcoming. But I'll honestly probably let them sleep in my room because I'm not going to be here. And my room is just so much more big. My sheets are clean. But I need to clean my bathroom up a little. Anyway, so I have to get ready for house guests, but I know I can do that in the dark. So when I try to schedule my day, I think, okay, what needs to be done in the light as far as shooting? And I schedule things in order of priority because I had actual deadlines. So those come first. So everything else that isn't like, you know, if your best friend comes and visits you and your house isn't perfect, she's not gonna judge you, but you want it to be nice for them. So I try, one thing I'm trying to wrap my head around is prioritizing based on like what actually is important versus what my perfectionist brain thinks is important. Also, I'm looking so wild right now. I have like some lipstick on. I am loving this necklace that Sparky gave me for Christmas. It's been such a sweet reminder every time I like touch my neck, which I do a lot. I am wearing my Christmas PJ bottoms and only a bra on top. It's a good day. There we go. We have a beautiful sweater on now. We can do hard things. I actually just ate a little, made a cup of coffee. Again, just a reminder to care for yourself during the holidays. And the only reason I'm harping on this so much is because I need to remind myself, you know? One project I was working on today was sharing this gift set that Nivea has that I think is such a cute gift idea. So if you are needing to go to like a white elephant, if you want something that's a crowd pleaser for almost anyone, or if you know someone that needs a little more like self-care and pampering in their lives, or a cute last minute stocking stuffer idea, or just like a hostess gift, I think this is so cute. This is their Winter Wonder set and it comes in this really cute bag. It has their Nourishing Body Wash, which I have in my shower right now. I will show you as proof. Their Essentially Enriched 48-hour lotion. A baby version of the Nivea cream, which I love. If you guys don't use Nivea cream, I actually have been doing a deep dive on this last year being an ambassador for Nivea, and it's amazing. I used it today to take off my makeup. I used it as a moisture mask right before I got my peel. It also includes this little lip care guy, and they all come in this cute little bag. So I think it's a great gift. They have another gift set that is such a good value. It's literally like half price almost, but it's their All Is Bright collection. I know this one's available at Rite Aid and it has the same products, but it's got the mini tin instead of the little mini cream. So they have a couple going around these days depending on where you shop. I think I've mentioned this in other videos, but I don't think I actually did like a deep dive of how many ways you can use this Nivea cream. That's what I was actually shooting today, was like trying to like explain some of the hacks. So the three I probably use the most are, which is why I have a single sock on right now. You can smooth it on like super dry, rough, cracked skin on your feet or ankles. You can also do the same on your hands, and then wear like sleep with socks or gloves on, and in the morning you wake up and it's like a baby. And I love to use it as makeup remover. So I had red lipstick on last night, and I know I should have thrown this away already, but I haven't. But I just use a little of the Nivea cream and use it as like an eye makeup remover, as like a lipstick, just essentially all your makeup, and then it works as like a hydrating mask while it's removing makeup. You can also just use it as a mask by smoothing like a lot, like basically put like a pretty thick layer on and then just wipe off the excess with a washcloth when you're done like letting it sit, and you can just leave the rest on and your skin is so supple. They actually recommend using it as a massage cream, so I think that could be really, really nice, especially having come back from the spa. So that's something I haven't tried, but sounds awesome. Anyway, so if you have some of this laying around, and if you don't, I highly recommend you pick some up because it's awesome. When I was growing up, my grandma always had it on her vanity. My aunt, I think she still always has it in the bathroom. So I get it now. It's been around for over 100 years, and now I know why. I am a Nivea ambassador, so I wanted to like disclose that I do work with them regularly, but all opinions are my own. And yeah, so next up, we are going to finish opening the rest of these packages, get things put away. We're gonna run out, run some errands, go to the Boy Smell store, pick up some candles, and let Vlogmas continue. All right, I'm headed to the Boy Smell store and to get some stuff, like random things. I can't even talk. I'm going to run errands, okay? Look at this scrunchie that Sparky gave me for Christmas. I'm wearing it. And these are the new Fabletics. Like they're like stuff that are meant to be worn more as outfits. I really like it. Sweater, my favorite Nikes that I wore to Europe, and this little Sherpa bag. Not really a super cute outfit, but just kind of matches, at least semi put together, but I gotta run.
From a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall,
just got some hand soap, some like fancy hand soap for when Callie and Dan are here.
Where I'm going isn't far, but then
Got this amazing date coffee that they only have seasonally. It's so good. And now I'm gonna grab a salad so that I eat something proper today. And then I'm going home. I am attempting to pack and clean the house and none of it's going well. Guest room does actually look decent. Like at least it's clean. So if they want to sleep here, they can. But like I said, oh, I got new pampas downtown. I need to put those there. I mean, it's not the cutest, right? But it's like, it works. Living room and kitchen are making major strides. I'm almost unpacked from Golden Door and I'm gonna repack. I need to water the plants. There's so much to do. It's almost midnight. I have a meeting tomorrow at 10 and then I'm gonna go to and then go straight to the airport. We're gonna be fine. It's like I don't feel stressed. I had a few hiccups today. Don't we always? It always works out. That's what I'm trying to remember. It's like, I've done this enough times to know that it always works out. There's a Target almost anywhere if you forget something. It's fine. My crazy self thinks I'm gonna do a haul tomorrow because I got some like PJs and some stuff for like little New Year outfit ideas from Victoria's Secret. And I was like, oh, I really want to try them on for you in case you guys wanted them for New Year's. I also have like the few other things I was going to tell you. So I do need to sort through all that. I think I'm going to go to sleep now. Like I normally need 8-9 hours of sleep to feel my prime, but we may not get that luxury today. I think I'm probably going to try to sleep for like 6.5 hours, 7. 7 is not going to give me enough time in the morning. I think I need like 4 hours tomorrow to get ready, to pack, to try to shoot some stuff and to finish the house. So, whew, that's not logical. I'm not going to be waking up at 5 or 5:30. You know, we're just going to see what happens. Anyway, not the most eventful day today, but I did have fun running some errands. I did get a lot of work done. I'm very excited for heading home with Sparky for the holidays, and I'm so excited to see my family. Catch you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas!